Hi Doonieistas, it's me, the Pecan Tan Beauty, and welcome to my channel, or as always, I welcome you back to my channel. So today's video is going to be a re-unboxing of the BUMMER unboxing that I did a couple of weeks ago. So if you have not checked out that video that I titled the BUMMER unboxing, then I will put a link below so you can check it out and see exactly why it was called a BUMMER unboxing. So this is actually my replacement, and I just got it in the mail today. It took a while to get it. There were some issues with UPS, with how they addressed it and all that stuff. So anyway, it finally came today. So if you are interested in seeing the re-unboxing of my BUMMER unboxing, then just keep on watching. Okay guys, so here we are, and it came in a huge box, as you can see. So let's just open it up really quick. And again, if you saw the unboxing, the original unboxing, you probably already know what bag this is, but I'm hoping that they got it right this time, which I'm pretty sure they did. So let's just see. Oh, I see a note here. So let's see. Okay, so they sent me a little note here. Here's my invoice. Let's just take a look, see what the note says. It says, "Thank you for your purchase. We wish you many years of happiness with your new Dooney Bourke, Freeport, Maine." Look at this. I have never ever received a personalized note with my purchase. So this was a very nice little special touch. So now let's get to the unboxing, which it was right last time, but yes, it does say what I ordered. And let's just get to the unboxing. So let's see. I can see already they have a bag in here. Okay, this one actually looks packaged a lot better because I see the plastic on the handles. But here is how she's packaged, and she is in a bag, which I think is a nice touch. Again, here is the bag that she came in here, and then let's take her out. Oh my gosh, you guys, this is perfect. Oh my gosh, you guys, this is perfect. Here she is. She is the large Mindy in the color Ocean. And again, if you saw my original video, you would know that I initially ordered this color Ocean, but they sent me a midnight bag, which I'm not a huge fan of midnight, so that was a little bit of a bummer to me. So let's see, I am loving this color already. I can already tell. So let's just finish taking her out of the plastic. Okay guys, absolutely beautiful color. Look at this. And I do have somewhat of a review on the Mindy. Absolutely beautiful color. I am so happy with it. And again, this is the large Mindy, and she is in the color Ocean. And you guys know that I love it with the wings out, and I hope the lighting is picking up this color. Oh my gosh, you guys, beautiful. So I do have a midnight bag that I want to do a quick comparison of, just so you can see the difference and why I was so disappointed when I actually received this bag. So let's do a quick comparison of the midnight blue to this Ocean. Okay guys, so here are the two colors. And then obviously we have the Ocean Mindy. And as you can see, they are fairly different. You can totally tell the difference in the colors. The Midnight is a deeper, more navy blue, whereas the Ocean in the pebbled leather is more of a, I would say it's more of a brighter blue. I mean, not neon, but it is a very nice shade of blue. So I just wanted to do a quick comparison so you can see the color difference in these two in natural lighting. So let's just very quickly go on the inside, but again, you guys have seen the inside of this bag before in one of my other reviews. But for those who have not, let me just give you a quick tour of the inside. Okay guys, so here is the inside of Mindy. And if you saw my other video, you know that this bag is humongous on the inside. It does come with a strap, and the only thing that I don't like about this strap on the Mindy is that it doesn't have that middle section where you can take it out, but it is a very wide strap. So very nice and wide, very substantial. That's the one thing that I love about it, but what I don't like about it is it does not have that middle strap where you can make it shorter. But it's still not a deal breaker for me. As you can see on the inside, it has the slip pocket, the zip pocket, the Dooney Bourke patch, and on the opposite wall it has two slip pockets, one accessory like pocket here, as well as another slip pocket here. The closure on these bags is by snap. It snaps very nice and secure, very nice snap. But again, as you can see, a huge bag. Absolutely huge, and I love it. I was confused at first because I wasn't quite sure if I wanted to use her as a travel bag or as an everyday bag. But I have carried my Elephant as well as my Black as everyday carries, and it is absolutely perfect. Even though I don't carry that much, I still love the larger look of this bag. So she does have 4 feet on the bottom. She has the adjustable handles here where you can adjust them to make them a little bit longer. It is lined with this beautiful Sierra leather here. And then again, you have your leather braided zipper pull. And what I love about this bag that I was surprised about is that the attachment for the strap is here on the sides, which I love, versus it being up here somewhere. First of all, I think this bag is a little bit too large to have the strap attachment that way, but I'm glad that Dooney did it the way that they did it. So you guys, I am absolutely 100% happy with this bag. I absolutely love this color. This is the color that I was expecting initially when I did my initial unboxing. So here again is the inside. Absolutely love it. And with the wings out, or the zippers unzipped, it kind of gives it kind of the Celine Phantom type of feel. If you guys are familiar with the Celine bag, she has a bag that has these wings on the side, and it is very, very stylish and very, very classy, which I absolutely love. It has a back zipper pocket on the back, and normally I don't really care for bags that has outside pockets other than for aesthetics, because I don't really use them. But in my pebbled leather bags, I do use these pockets because I don't have to worry about any type of cell phone print or print from my keys or anything like that. So I'm actually happy that this one does have an outside pocket for if I want to use it. So anyway guys, this is the bag, and I just want to say that I am head over heels over it. I am so excited that, you know, after about 3 weeks I finally got the right bag. So Anyway guys, thank you so much for watching. And as I always say, once you go Dooney, you go loony. So go out and get yourself a Dooney Bourke pebbled leather large Mindy bag in the color Ocean, because as long as it took me to get this, you definitely can't have mine. Bye guys.